Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your EarFun Free Pro 2nd generation with any Android phone or Android tablet. First of all, you have to remember to simply charge them for like 20 minutes. Of course, you have to input both earbuds inside the charging case. And when you do this, also remember to disconnect them from all previously connection devices. Next, just open this charging case, and in the most cases, after a few moments, they will move to the pairing mode automatically. So it means that this earbud will turn to the blue. This indicator will blinks just like that. So right now we have to keep that case open and keep both earbuds inside. Then on your device, on your Android device, activate the Bluetooth and then open the Bluetooth settings. Then select to pair new device, and right now from available devices list you have to pick the EarFun Free Pro 2nd generation. Click on it once, then accept the pairing. As you can see, we are successfully connected. If you have any connection issues, you can also watch our other tutorials with these earbuds. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.